Let's draw kawaii cats. The two oval method today. So the first oval is going to go a little bit above the middle of the page. Nice and big oval. Okay, next we're going to draw the ears. And these are A shapes with rounded tops. So one there and one there. Okay, next we're going to do the inner part of the ear. We give it a little thickness on this side, and then we come up, it's another A shape, but we get a little closer on that side. And same thing here. Give it a little bit of space and get much closer on that side. Good, cooking along here. Now we need two eyes. So we're gonna, with these kawaii style kittens, I hope I'm saying that right, you want to put the eyes lower than halfway, and you want to make them nice and big. So nice big eye here and another big eye here. We'll do a light patch there, another light patch there, and then down low we'll do a smaller one. Okay, those will all be colored in black except for these two spots. Next we have a tiny little nose. So it's a rectangle with rounded corners. I mean a triangle with rounded corners. And then you're going to do a swoop out to each side. Keep it small.
Too big.
And we use pencil for a reason, in case you get too big with your parts. Okay, cool. Next we need a couple of whiskers on each side, just like that. Then we need, these are going to be rosy cheeks. We'll do some ovals for the eyebrows. We'll add a line here. That's going to be a color line. Our cat's going to be white and orange. And that is pretty good for the details for the face. Now we're going to do our second oval. So this is the second oval to our method. And the second oval is a little smaller. It's going to sit right in here. That's going to be your second oval. Good. Do our ovals have to be exactly the same?
No.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
fun, that's right. So, if you need to adjust at all, this is exactly why we use pencil. So, I'm just going to fix mine up just like that. It's like I was trying to say, if you need to fix up your oval at all, just go for it. Now, we're going to use a couple of upside down U shapes for the paws. And we're going to have one right over here. It's going to be a little bit lower than the body. It's going to come in like that. And then we're going to mimic that shape over on this side. There we go. And then we'll want to do a little bit of erasing to get rid of that. Boy, those look cute already, huh? They do. All right, next we're going to add a tail. And the tail is just going to come right out of here. And it's going to go up and loop around like that. Cool. We do have a couple color spots we want to add on here. So we're going to have color spot come up like that. So that's all going to be orange there. We're going to have the tail be, did we decide all orange or just mostly orange?
Mostly, I guess.
Mostly, so we'll do that, and this part will be orange and that part will be not orange. Does that make sense? So, okay. And then I think we decided we'd have the paws be, the tips of the paws would be orange. Just like that. And then I think the last detail we need is just a couple of lines to represent the paws. Look at these. Beautiful.
Yes.
They're gonna be so cute, and they're gonna be much easier to see once we go over them with Sharpie. So, ready? Here we go. now for the coloring. Any thickening that needs to be done, erasing, all that stuff. One, two, three. Kawaii cats. We hope we're saying that right, but we had a great time doing these kawaii cats. Did I get it?
I think so.
Kawaii. Kawaii. I hope that's right. But this is our first go with this type of cat. It came out so good. These were a lot of fun to do. Super cute. So we hope you like them. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, and click another video.